I'm super excited. It's my toy show, and today I'm LadyBug, and I'm gonna be opening this L.O.L. doll, and you know these are cut out for because they were too long. Okay, let's get open. So hard. Guys, I just finally got it open, and let's see if I can open this. Guys, this is so cool. I have every bottle. Let's open this. They have a lot of surprises in it. Wow. Guys, look, and I got some stickers. I'm so happy. I'm gonna open this one, the shoes.
What's that?
Shoes. They're not really beautiful. I like them. Custom now. Wow. Guys, look. You can look at it right here. Like, share, and subscribe to my toy show. Guys, ooh, I like these stickers. They're really cute. Okay. It's a dress. It's what her dress look like.
You're not happy?
No.
You can take it.
No, I'm not happy.
Why?
It is so ugly.
You don't even know who it is. Who is it, you guys?
Is it her? 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 Is it her?
I don't know who it is. I don't see that picture on there.
What's in this?
Let's see. Show us the... It has like 2 little dice on it. What is this, a hat?
Yeah, it's an ugly hat. You better be very mad. What is this? What is that? This does look ugly. What is this?
It's a pet.
It's an ugly pet here.
Hey guys, what does this mean?
I know who is this.
Who?
With an ugly bun on it. What is this?
It's a tough monkey.
No. This better be tough monkey. This hair. Guys, look, I got a cute monkey. And he asked to change colors.
You didn't like the monkey before. What happened?
It was ugly.
Now what happened?
I like it. It was ugly like his daddy.
Like his daddy.
Yeah. I put the sticker on him. Let's put some more stickers on him. He needs some eyebrows. Eyebrows, you know eyebrows. Well, the eyebrows are gone. Somebody shaved them off. Get the bug. Hey. That's not my fault.
Who broke the man glasses?
It was an accident. I didn't mean to blow his glasses. Anyway, it was ugly. Okay, it was too big for him. That's good. I don't care about his glasses. He's a girl or something?
I think he's a boy.
But why he wear bows?
Oh, because you put a bow on?
No, he is a girl, Mama.
He's a boy.
Guess what? Guys, guess what? You can't believe it. I'm going to put these big lips on him. See it look funny. Huh?
Hold it up.
That was it for today. I will see you on the next video. Bye. Peace.